Let me show you how to factory reset your iPhone 17. First, let's go in the settings and then open up your general settings here. Okay, all the way down till you see transfer or reset iPhone. And if you click this first option, reset, you can only clear some individual settings, for example, some network settings or whatever you need. But if you want to wipe everything from this phone, so we would select the second option over here, and you see it will delete all your pictures, videos, all data on your phone, essentially. Also remove the activation lock, the Apple account, and also even your eSIM. So again, if you are returning or selling this phone, make sure to do it this over here. So again, click continue, and next select finally from either of these options. So if you basically want to again remove your eSIM as well, so again if you are selling or returning it, so simply click the latest option. So if you simply want to factory reset, so you can use it once more yourself, so again click the keep eSIM option. Good luck.